So in this video, ChatGPT is going to challenge the Turnitin. You must know about ChatGPT, but do you know what is Turnitin? Turnitin is world's #1 plagiarism checking tool. It is used all over the world to check plagiarism in research papers, thesis, documents, and various types of content. So today I am going to test the content generated by ChatGPT. Is 100% plagiarism free or not? Let's find out who is going to win, the artificial intelligence or the human generated system. Here I am going to ask GPT to write 10 benefits of using social media. And here is the AI start writing. Let's fast forward it. I am going to add more words to this. So I am asking ChatGPT to please add 10 more points so that we have enough words to test it. AI work has been done. Let's open MS Word file to copy the text and then we are going to test it in Turnitin. Let me arrange these two windows for a better viewability. I'm just copying the text and pasting it without any format. You can see the total number of words are 675. Now let me save the file and I am going to name it Benefits of Social Media. Now let's go into Turnitin. I'm already logged in to save video time. Now I'm going to open the class to submit the MS Word file to Turnitin for checking plagiarism. I am going to press submit. Here I am going to type the title which I gave to that file. Now let's choose that file. Upload it. The file is now uploading and the magic is going to happen. The file is uploaded with same 675 words and 2 pages. Now let's go back by pressing this button and see who is our winner today. There you go. Turnitin caught 30% of the text generated by ChatGPT as plagiarized. So it means text generated by the ChatGPT is not 100% unique. Let me show you the sources from which ChatGPT taken this text. I am going to click this view button and it will show us that sources. See, all of these colorful lines are actually copied content. Now to see the sources used by the ChatGPT, we have to download this report. For this, I am going to click this download button. Now I am going to show you the current view. Just going down to the bottom of the page where we find that sources. You can clearly see ChatGPT has used some publications, internet sources, student papers to generate that text, which we had just tested in Turnitin. So as of today, Turnitin beat this ChatGPT by 30%. So if you try to copy the content from ChatGPT and use it in your blog, articles, websites or publish it anywhere, then it will not be 100% unique. It must contain plagiarism. By the way, if you like this challenge between the two word best tools, then like the video and share it with your friends. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.